Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you some basic steps on how to improve on the performance of your computer. So let's get started. Now the first thing we are going to do is just hit the Windows key and type disk cleanup. Okay, now you'll see something will pop up over here, disk cleanup. Just click on that. Disk cleanup drive selection. In this case we select the drive C because this is where our operating system is, and it's very important for us to clean this. Just hit on OK and it's calculating. Alright, now as you can see, these are some of the unwanted files that are occupying space in our C drive and causing our computer to be slow. You can just check on this, you can just uncheck, or you check on this. Just check on the ones you think you can, and then after that you click on clean system files, hit on OK, and that is going to further clean the drive. Okay, alright, as you can see, you just need to check the stuff that you want to delete here, and then when you're finished checking, just hit on OK. They are going to ask you for a prompt to permanently delete these files. Just hit on delete these files. Okay, now the first step, that's the first step. Now the second step, just hit again the Windows icon and then you type defrag. Now you will see this little stuff will pop on over here, disk defragmenter. Just click on it and it's going to open. Now what this does is that what with time, as you keep on storing files and things in your computer, your hard drive automatically creates space. It automatically creates spaces, so it makes things difficult for the CPU to actually find or locate stuffs in the hard drive because of those spaces. So what this disk defragmenter does, it tries to defragment the hard drive, thereby removing those space and bringing your files together. Okay, it brings your files together, which makes it easy for the processor to locate us and to locate them. So here we are going to defragment this drive C. As you can see, it is indicating that it is 10% fragmented. So the first thing we are going to do, just click on this and then you analyze the disk first. Now it's going to take some time to analyze the disk, and if you analyze a disk and the fragmentation rate is below 10, then there is no need for you to optimize or to defragment. But if it is as from 10 and above, then it is important for you to defragment. So here it is 10% fragmented, so you just need to defragment the disk. Hit on that and you can continue working with your computer while this is running in the background. And sometimes you can also configure the schedule. Here you can configure how you want your disk defragmenter to be operating in the background. So now let us move on to the third step. Now just hit on the Windows run button and then you type Microsoft config or MS config and you hit enter. Alright, what this is the system configuration panel, and here you can edit so many stuffs about your computer. For instance, you can edit the boot, how you want it to boot, whether it's in safe mode. You can edit it here. Say you have services, you have the startup tab, and you have the general tab. Here you can select either startup, diagnostic startup, or selective startup. But in this tutorial we concentrate in making the computer to be faster by increasing the performance. So you need to come to the startup type, to the startup. Here these are the programs that startup whenever we start Windows. Whenever you try to switch on your computers, these programs here, they start at system startup, and this automatically slow down your computer. So what you need to do is just uncheck this, and then you click on apply, and then you hit on OK. Now they will ask you to restart your computer, but just click on exit without restart. So now let's go to the next option. Now you hit the Windows plus E to open Explorer, and then after that you just come to your computer, you right click and you click on properties. This window is going to open. Come to the advanced system settings and click on it. Here you come under the advanced tab, click on settings, and then in this window, as you can see, performance options. Here you can either select any of these, let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance. So here you can click on this adjust for best performance, and then you click on the apply button. You click on the apply button and you hit OK. So this will automatically increase the speed of your computer. And then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to the next step we are going to do is we are going to press the Windows run command, and then we type this %temp %. Now just type this on the run command on the run box, and then you hit OK. Now what this command does is that it opens the temporal files folders. These are files that you no longer use, maybe when you were surfing the internet and all these files were accumulating here. So you just need to press Ctrl A to copy all, and then you delete. Okay, just delete all these files, delete on escape, and then you delete this. All right, now the next thing we are going to do, still hit on the Windows plus R, and then you type in prefetch same. So then you hit on OK, then you hit on continue. So as you can see, this is a prefetch folder, and these are files that you no longer use. Now just right click on all, just press Ctrl A, and then you press delete to delete all. All right, now you can close this window. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to check Windows updates, and you do that, just hit the Windows button and type Control to open the control panel and hit enter, and then you come down here, you are going to see Windows updates. Click on that. Here in this window, as you can see, install updates. Now just click on this, and then you sit back and wait for the updates to download and automatically install. Now the next thing we are going to do is just hit the Windows key and type CMD. Now right click on the CMD and run as administrator. Now enter this command, sfc/scan now. All right, now this sfc/scan now stands for system file checker, and what it does is it scans your entire computer, your system files, and remove all bugs or malicious scripts that have attached themselves to your system files, thereby causing your computer to be slow. So just enter this command into the elevated command prompt mode, and then you hit on enter. Now just watch beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system. Just sit back and be patient. Just wait until this command executes until it gets to 100%, and then after that you can reboot your computer. So these are the steps you take in order to effectively clean up your computer system and to boost the performance. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and see you in the next video.